So on our third image here with our checkerboard, instead of using the quick selection tool, we are going to use the rectangular marquee tool, which looks just like this here. So the rectangular marquee tool is the second tool down. If we click and hold, we also notice that we have the ellipse tool that's there as well. But for today, we are going to focus just on our rectangular. First thing what we are going to do once we have our rectangular marquee tool selected is we want to make sure that we have our background layer selected. Next, what we're going to do is I'm going to select this whole left-hand side here. Now let's say this is in our image and we want to delete it. I'm simply going to just select this section here until I get my border that pops up all the way around, and then I'm going to hit delete. Notice how we have that transparent background layer here, meaning that we have nothing there. Next, I want to make sure I deselect my layer. So I'm going to hit Control D on my keyboard. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go down here and I'm going to add a new layer. And I'm going to move this layer down underneath my background layer, and I'm going to recall this black. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to where it says Edit here. And then I'm going to go down to where it says Fill. And I'm going to change where it says Fill. I'm going to make sure that that's selected to black. And then I'm going to click OK. Once I've changed my background here and I have this new layer called black, I'm going to actually go back over and I'm going to lock that black layer here. Okay, so that way that background layer is, or that black is my new background. Next, I'm going to select my old background layer here. And I'm going to go and select my marquee tool if it's not already selected. And I'm going to select this section of my checkerboard here. Once I've selected this one section, I'm going to hit Control C to copy, and then I'm going to hit Control V to paste. Notice once I have copied and pasted my selection, I now have a new layer here. Now watch what happens when I grab my Move tool and I have Auto Select on and Transform Control selected. Watch what happens when I click and hold and drag. Notice how I have moved that one piece over, and I'm able to move that selection and that copy wherever I want. In this case, I'm covering this black checker piece to make it seem like it was never there.